Hello everyone. Today Ann and I are making paper using the Stampers Anonymous Curiosity Shop stamp set. We started with green paper and now Ann's stamping with this cool clover stamp all over the paper. Once she's finished, then we're going to add some shimmer spray just to give it a little bit of a shine. And look at the beautiful paper that Ann made. Now we're going to do some embossing using the stamp positioner and this gold embossing powder. We're going to do the numbers 1 and 7, and we're doing several sets because we're making 4 cards. And Anne is helping me with all of this embossing, and it's just so nice to sit down with her and do a project like this. And once the numbers are done, Anne is going to use some ink and she's going to color in the numbers, and then I will fussy cut them out. And we're just going to work together to get this done. Now here's what the finished paper looked like, and these are some shapes that I cut with my Cricut. I cut the word lucky and did some offsets of that. We got some different types of gold paper, and then we made these cards. Here are the finished versions of them, and I just love how Anne's paper looks in that background. And then on one of them, we also had a little charm that we dangled from one of them, but I just felt like those turned out so pretty and so fun. And so I hope you enjoyed those cards and that you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.